Welcome to the OMRON booth here at SMT Connect. I am delighted to be joined by Grisha Vasmuth, who's one of the product managers here. Nice to see you, Grisha.
Yeah, thanks, Trevor. Let me correct, I'm key account manager, not product manager.
You are what, sorry?
Key account manager.
Key account manager, there you go. A very important position.
Yeah, I hope so.
So we're standing here in front of your AOI system, the VTS 1080. Tell us about some of the key features in this system.
Yeah, hi Trevor, many thanks.
Okay.
One of the key features is that we like to have the system working in the area of our customers, so in the shop floor. So we don't like to stop it during the production. That means you can see it or can recognize we don't have any keyboards anymore on the system. So we have a touch screen, which we can use also for starting programming and make some small adjustments, but also programming is we just make a bareboard teaching and maybe a populated board teaching, and everything else will be done on the programming station.
Okay. So this is auto programming that's done before it comes into the machine.
Correct. We put it on a server and the system can download it and can start it directly. So this means can also the optimization later on. And with help of the bareboard teaching, we have all the real information, not only the ones you have in Audio D++, what means is ideal pad information, but each pad is a bit different than the ideal version.
Right.
But we have the real one because we scanned it with our system. And with the populated board, we can teach it in and have also the height information, the component information, and that makes the programming pretty fast. And it's not everything is automated, but you have all the information you need and just need to make some adjustments. And really, a few minutes, you have a runnable program for the AOI.
Right. Okay. So one of the key things that you have built into this, I believe, is the different levels of lighting that you can control for things like reflective surfaces and other areas. Can you tell us a bit about some of the features built into that?
Yeah, pretty like to. So we have a illumination ring inside with different illuminations. So we use it, for instance, also for 3D technology. We have the multi-dimension, multicolor. This is a patented version from OMRON, and this highlights all the information we have. So we can cool down the blue, the red, and everything. And if you have some reflections inside, we can change the illumination and have a better result for it.
Okay, excellent. So the AOI system sort of is part of your inspection suite. Of course, you're very well known for the AXI as well. Tell us a bit about the AXI system and how then we'll talk about how the two of them work together.
Yeah, the AXI system we have here on the booth is an inline CT function. So we have a real CT inside of the line. We can make a CT of each component from with up to 1,000 images or a bit more in just 1 to 3 seconds.
Really?
Yeah, this is pretty fast, and that offers a lot of opportunities for the customer. They can one real strong part is head and pillow issues. You can recognize it pretty easily because you have every information with the CC. And this is, for instance, not possible to capture with a tomosynthesis or something like this. Therefore, you need the CT, and we are that fast. As no one else on the market, as I know. Right. And also related that most of the controllers and the components inside are produced by OMRON itself, and not from a third party. Okay. And what's the configuration inside? Is it open tube, closed tube? No, we have a sealed one. The sealed one, tube. We have two different ones. And also two different versions of flat panels. And the combination is that you can reach some resolutions from down to 3 microns with up to 30 microns per pixel, and also the voltage level what you can have in the tube is a different one. Both FPDs offers the opportunity to have different speeds because of the exposure range sensitivity. One is a bit faster, so you don't need that much beaming time. It's really important also for not inspected neighbored components, which have not so much beams to take, and this is a pretty strong solution. Okay, and do the tables rotate or go through obtuse angles to be able to look at the side angles of these components? Yeah, we are rotating both the tube and the FPD, and can reach a pretty big range of PCBs, and rotating against each other. That means we are much faster to capture the images.
Right.
This is also one point why it's that fast, and it's a kind of a rotating angle or whatever, a circle.
Okay, so let's talk about how both these systems work together. I mean, if you've got a device that's got, or a board that's got bottom terminated components, then you can't see everything from the top down with an AOI, but you can take it into the AXI and have a look. Can you compare them side by side or overlap them or anything like that?
Yeah, we can compare it. So we have the information from the AOI and can put it on the repair station and have all the analysis. So we have a QM Navi and Auto software above as a cloud above. So every data will be collected and we can analyze everything together and have all the information needed for the process improvement from the customers.
Okay. What about the SPI data? Can you bring that in?
This is a bit tricky. It's possible, but we are working with CKD systems, so that means we have the opportunity to bring everything together, but it's a different interface.
Right.
So, but also the CKD SPI. So we are pretty able to have 3 different resolutions in just one program. This is also a unique part in the market, and it's from my point one of the strongest in the market we have at the moment. Makes really fun to work with them.
Yes, absolutely. Okay. Well, I mean, it's really interesting to catch up and see what's happening here at OMRON. I mean, this is a productronica year, so what do you think is going to happen? Have you got anything lined up for later in the year that you're going to release?
At the end of the year? Yeah, we will have probably some new releases at the end of the year. So one is also written on the booth here with the XL X-ray version with really big boards for 5G components and so on. And end of the year we will have also new serial family of the X-ray systems with really big boards with up to 40 kilos. Also for the ADAs products, what you can have.
Right.
And this is it's really exciting. Looking forward to see all the systems working. And there's a lot of moving at the moment. It's really fun. Yeah,
I'm sure it's going to be a great show. But so we'll look forward to seeing you there. But for the meantime, Gracia, thank you for giving us a walk through the booth today.
Yeah, thank you very much, Trevor.